Time to take action settings. So this is a setting that has been ignored many times by many Samsung users. And basically this is the delay time it takes for maybe a new notification to appear on the screen or the volume control. I'll show you how to get there and how it works. Okay, so first things first, you'll want to use the quick panel access on your Samsung phone. This is the S24 Ultra, by the way. Android 14, use this here, tap right there on the setting icon here. When you tap on that, that's going to take you here. And then I want you to go down to accessibility. You can also type in the words time to take action in the search if you feel like doing that. And once here now, go to advanced settings right there. Then you'll see this section here and you'll see time to take action. Now, when you're here now, basically at default, if I say perhaps bring up my volume, right? The volume control is going to stay there for like 3 seconds long. And same with a notification. If you get a pop-up notification, that's going to stay there for 3 seconds long. Now, if you want that to last a little longer than 3 seconds, you can set it to 10 seconds. And watch now as I press up the volume, you'll see how it takes a lot longer to fade back onto the side, which is now set to 10 seconds. And that's what time to take action basically is, okay? And you wanna keep it to something reasonable. I mean, I don't think you wanna have it there for like a whole 1 minute and 2 minutes, right? And of course, you can come back and change this at any given time based on these settings there, okay? Default, remember, is 3 seconds. Like and sub.